The Fitchburg Senior Center serves around 10,000 meals a year to seniors in the community. These meals are not made at the Senior Center, but are catered by Consolidated Foods in Verona. The meals are packaged, delivered, and served by volunteers at the Senior Center. Many seniors are unable to cook meals for themselves for one reason or another. The meals we deliver help our seniors stay in their own homes for as long as possible. Anyone is welcome to eat at the Senior Center. People under the age of 60 are expected to pay the full price of the meal. However, those over the age of 60 can make a donation for the meals based on what they feel they can afford. Donations by participants are the main source of funding for this program.
That's one of the reasons I come to the Senior Center, is because of a very excellent, well-balanced meal program.
It's nice just to get out to the center and be with our friends and social worker and enjoy lunch here.
It's simple and it's various, and I haven't found anything I can't eat, and the desserts are always fun.
My favorite is your fish and scalloped potatoes and something like that. The meals are very good.
Nutrition-wise, I think your staff really plans it well, and you have also little coffee type things. We can have a little, roll before and coffee, and you see that we get milk, and I think that this is wonderful.
It's not only the food, it's the company. There's who's at your table.
When I don't come to the Senior Center, life gets very simple. I tend to go to the refrigerator and take whatever is available, or go to my shelves and open a can of soup. That's why I come, because I don't eat a balanced meals at home.
Well, I get Meals on Wheels, which I think is a very good service to the community. Because, like me, as you get older, you don't cook as much as you used to.
I'm not able to cook anymore. I don't like to do it anymore, and I'm not able to do it.
You would expect, like a potato, like a full meal, usually. And you get your vegetable and your meats, and you get your breads, and you get something to drink, milk, and some kind of a dessert, and they're very good. Once in a while you get ice cream.
Oh, I like the baked chicken, I like the baked fish.
I get vegetables, and I get a wide variety of meals.
I get Meals on Wheels twice a week. I like everything, so the things that I could eat, I really enjoy.
For me, the food is nutritious, very good, and most of the time, the delivery drivers, they're on time.
If I didn't get meals from the Senior Center, I would probably be eating cereal, toast.
I just think that if they don't get Meals on Wheels, I think they should, because it's very helpful. And especially if you can't get out, like I do, I don't drive anymore.
It just makes it so much easier for me. I don't have to think about shopping. I don't have to think about preparing meals.
It's nice to have meals brought to us in between preparing stuff that we bought from groceries.